bloating, irregular digestion, constant fatigue or brain fog. These might not be random, they could be signs your gut is out of balance. Your gut health affects everything, from immunity to mood to energy. The good news? Nature gives us powerful, everyday foods that can help restore and heal your gut naturally. In today's video, we'll explore 5 gut healing foods you should be eating, and how they support a stronger, healthier you from the inside out. Welcome to day 3 of our 7-day natural wellness reset here on Awesome Naturales, your space for healing, harmony, and natural health. If you're enjoying this journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the rest of the series. Number 1. Fermented Foods, Probiotic Power. First up, fermented foods, your gut's best friend. These are rich in probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help balance your microbiome. Think sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, miso, and unsweetened yogurt. Just a few tablespoons a day can reduce bloating, improve digestion, and even support your immune system. Start slow, especially if you're new to probiotics, and choose unpasteurized versions for maximum benefit. Number 2. Bone broth, gut lining support. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, all of which help repair and strengthen the gut lining. If you have leaky gut symptoms, like food sensitivities or inflammation, this is a healing elixir. Sip a warm mug in the morning, or use it as a base for soups and stews. For plant-based alternatives, try mineral-rich veggie broths with seaweed, ginger, and turmeric. Number 3. Prebiotic fiber, food for your flora. To keep your good gut bacteria thriving, you need to feed them, and that's where prebiotic fiber comes in. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, green bananas, and oats are rich in prebiotics. These help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost the effectiveness of probiotics. Try to include a variety in your meals each day to diversify your gut flora naturally. Number 4. Ginger and turmeric, anti-inflammatory duo. Ginger and turmeric are powerful anti-inflammatory herbs that soothe the digestive tract and support gut healing. Ginger helps with motility, reducing bloating and nausea. Turmeric, especially with black pepper, calms inflammation and supports liver function. Add fresh ginger to your tea or smoothies, and turmeric to soups, golden milk, or stir-fries. Number 5. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds are tiny but mighty. They're rich in soluble fiber that helps sweep out toxins and promote regular bowel movements. Plus, they contain omega-3s, essential fats that reduce gut inflammation. Soak them overnight in water or milk to make chia pudding, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them on oatmeal for daily gut support. Let's recap today's 5 gut healing foods. Fermented foods for probiotics. Bone broth to repair the gut lining. Prebiotic fiber to feed healthy bacteria. Ginger and turmeric to fight inflammation. Chia and flax seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Remember, your gut is the foundation of your health. When you nourish it, you nourish your whole self. Which gut healing food are you adding to your next meal? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to grab your copy of the 14-day high-protein hormone balancing meal plan linked below. It contains your meal for breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack, and the recipe for each of the meal, as well as your grocery list and tips to help you succeed. Thank you for watching, and check out other videos on our channel for more health and wellness tips.